Hi, this is Sukanya. May I know your name, please?
Hi, I'm Shweta Bhatt from Travel Shop Turkey, and we are based in Istanbul.
A bit louder because.
Hi, I'm Shweta Bhatt from Travel Shop Turkey. We are based in Istanbul and we have offices in India, and we do take care of Turkey, Egypt, Israel, Jordan. Apart from that, we do have our partners, and we work with them in different 100 countries where we can help out all the trade partners.
Okay. So they are your partners.
These are all our trade partners.
Trade partners. Okay.
We work with them and we can help all these 100 destinations, which are orbit destinations around the world. So we have a huge number of partners with us.
Yeah, yeah.
And Turkey is absolutely normal for the tourist, as that the tourist destinations are Istanbul, Cappadocia, Pamukkale, Kusadasi, Bodrum and all that. So earthquake has not affected any of these areas.
Yeah, that's what I was about to ask you.
It's quite far, almost 1500 kilometers far from these destinations. So tourists are traveling as of now. They are safe and we do not have any casualty these out the destination.
Okay. Could you please tell me which is the best time to visit Turkey?
Turkey, if you want to visit, April to October is the best time.
April to October.
April to October. Okay. Even people are traveling from November, December, January, where there is a snowfall, because Turkey falls in a European.
Yeah, that is what time the snowfall is?
December, January, February.
Also 3 months.
3 months.
Okay.
You will find a snowfall in all these cities as well. So even Christmas time is also very popular for the Turkey.
Okay. Okay. So which is the best place to visit in Turkey, and which is the best thing to do over there? Why tourists will go over there? There has to be some special attraction.
So Turkey is one of the countries which has a lot of attraction, which is unique in terms of you do not get that in other countries. Number one is Cappadocia, which is a cave city, and people are traveling there for the hot tub. Number two is Pamukkale, which is again famous for cotton castles where the hot springs happens. And number three again Istanbul, which has a lot of attraction like Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, Autocade and Bosphorus Cruise. These are the main attractions for Turkey, and Pamukkale and Cappadocia hot air balloon. They are unique for the Turkey.
Okay, and what about the festivals of Turkey? The famous festival. Is there something like anything like that? Has to be like in every city, every continent, everywhere.
So Turkish people are same like India. They celebrate all their festivals.
Almost.
But I want to point out one main important. Even they do believe in Eid, and they celebrate all the Eid festivals across Turkey. But they do not. They are not very specific about the Ramzan. So in case clients are traveling during the period of Ramzan, everything is open and there is no restriction. So
because Eid is coming.
Yeah, so
Eid is very near.
Ramzan is like going to start. So at the period of that full month, everything is open. There is no restrictions. So
okay.
Travelers can easily travel and enjoy the full time.
And what is the main food of Turkey?
Turkish main food is it's similar to Mediterranean food. They have a lot of salads and cheese, and they do eat a lot of nuts. They have a vegetarian food options as well. So kebabs and a lot of curries with rice and lot of soup which Indian also enjoy over there.
Could you please tell me, is there any special ice cream in Turkey, like Turkish ice cream?
Turkish ice cream, like they are very famous, and baklava is very famous. Like baklava, Turkish delight, they are very famous. And Turkish tea and Turkish coffee, they are very famous.
Okay, if I would like to go to Turkey, where should I be put up? Where should I stay?
Definitely Istanbul, Cappadocia and Pamukkale. These are the highly recommended cities where you will see the must to do in Turkey. Apart from that, when the young travelers are traveling, I recommend Istanbul, Cappadocia, Bodrum. These are the places, Bodrum and Antalya as well, which are the places young travelers and people want to do a lot of water sports activities or some parties. These are the places.
Istanbul is very beautiful, no? Because lots of film shootings are also happening at Istanbul.
Istanbul is a modern also. It has a lot of history also. So it's a combination of modern and history.
Correct.
So that is one of the most popular. They have a lot of shopping options also. lot of food options, nightclubs, shopping outlets, a lot,
Like quite happening place.
lot of happening places.
Okay.
In, Istanbul.
Where do you stay?
I always stay on Istiklal Street, which
Okay.
is Istanbul's main street, and I'm allowed to stay on that street.
So you live over there?
No, I'm based in India, but
You live where? In India?
I'm Indian. I live in India.
Okay.
But I travel Istanbul very frequently because our head office is there.
So how many times you have gone to Turkey?
I think 7 to 8 times.
Oh, quite a lot of times. So how did you like?
Istanbul is my one of the number one city in the world. I love to travel again and again, and I don't come back without staying 7 to 10 nights in only Istanbul. So that's how I love Istanbul.
Nice talking to you, and we have got lots of information about Turkey.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Nice meeting you. Good day.